Hey everyone! Take a look at this gorgeous rug. It's completely crocheted from I-cord, using a pattern by the talented designer Oksana Lisova. All her links are in the info box below. This beauty has been gracing my bathroom floor for a full year now. After a year of daily use in the bathroom, it was definitely time for a clean. I wanted to show you how easy and safe it is to refresh one of these I-cord rugs. I started by giving it a gentle soak in some lukewarm, soapy water right here in the shower. Even though it's not huge, you do need a good bit of space to lay it out. I just used an ordinary cleaning detergent, the same kind I use for my clothes, just enough to loosen the main dirt. I did give the dirtiest parts a little brush. Next, into the washing machine it went. I made sure to choose a delicate and short cycle, and definitely no drying. Now, the waiting game as it air dries almost completely. After the machine cycle, it's still a little damp to the touch, but most of the water has been spun out. What's so amazing about crocheting with I-cord is its incredible sturdiness. Even after a full year of bathroom use and a proper wash, there are absolutely no tail ends coming loose. It's held its shape beautifully, and the colors are still so vibrant. If you have a crocheted I-cord rug, or you're thinking about making one, know that with just a little care, it can stay looking fantastic for many years to come. This one is all clean and ready for another year of cozying up my bathroom. Thanks so much for watching.